going to go to the live drums. I always put this on C major chromatic. I just know my way around it a little better that way. Right, so I'm going to dial in some convolution reverb. Let's turn this all the way up to 100. And I'm going to put this in Giant Basilica. On its own. Oops. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just make sure that I have the drums that I want in this. Bring this back into the screen. This is a Superior Drummer by Toontrack. All right, let's see what we've got going on now. So I have to remember I want to leave some space. Like I said, I have been known to fill up drums way too much, being a drummer. These are rim shots. Right now I'm just sort of playing around, see if I can come up with any nice ideas. Maybe just a simple hi-hat. Got ride cymbal and hi-hat. This 32 bars. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Wrong key. See, that's me not knowing where everything is. But again, it's just an opportunity to practice another round. Okay, let me just go for it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. part in here I did some sort of triplety thing. I believe it's here. No. Okay, so it's up to there, so I'm going to just go in here. And now I'm going to select everything up until the beginning. Oops. Hold on. Where was I? About like that. There's one in there that I haven't selected. There we go. And now I'm going to quantize this. Just get rid of this. Quantize this 16th notes, 80%. That sounds good. I'm going to actually leave these ones unquantized because I wanted it to be a little on the rough side, raw side, I should say. Quantize these, and now let's listen back. Something there where I hit the wrong thing. I think it's here. That one. That should be up here. There we go. Start again. Can be tedious at times, this sort of work, but it pays off to go in and sort of really fine-tune the elements and don't leave them too raw. Just going to bring down the live drums a little. I like it a lot. Just trying to think if there's anything else I could put in there to enhance it without making it something I wasn't intending, which is too clustered and too dense. I wanted space. Like I said, if this was a movie scene, turn the live drums down a little more. And let me turn them all the way down and just bring them in slowly. Yeah, if this was a movie scene, I can imagine this working nicely as it is. And now it's sort of about balancing the different elements. Moment I'm sort of feeling like the cymbals are either a little too loud or a little too quiet. Just finding it hard to find that sort of sweet spot. Taking out the reverb. And that's it. That's my little imaginary soundtrack for the day. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Please leave a comment because I really do love to read everything that you guys are thinking. And if possible, if there's something specific in the video that you're commenting about, please leave a timestamp in order for myself and everyone else to know what exactly you're talking about. And that way we can all converse together on these various topics. Thanks again for watching. It really means a lot. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Peace.